night, but all I did was turn it over a few times. That came out no easy, but I can see that new cam in there. Still see the assembly move on it. So let's pop these new rollers in, pop the new trays in, torque them down, so we good to go. Got the recording bit. Got them tightened up. The rollers in there. The trays. So there's only one way you can put them in. You will feel it nice and snug. Really just tighten it up. Hand tighten it. I heard they strip easy, so I'm gonna pop this off so I can get that cleaned up. Another man, it's still clean. These piston tops off. I ain't got no wire brush, so I'm gonna do that right now. That. We got some work accomplished today, so the pump on, looking good. Alright, y'all, so that's gonna end today's video. Got the rollers in there, new trays. Try to clean up a little bit, so I'm gonna show y'all the progress with that, but I'm gonna just tackle that another day.